Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So as you will have seen from the title, today I'm showing you my giveaway prize from the lovely Unpolished by Aggie. I have so much love for Aggie. Aggie has been with me pretty much my whole entire YouTube journey. She actually won my first ever giveaway, my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I absolutely love her. She's supported me throughout the whole entire time. She comments on pretty much every single video I've ever done, and she's so lovely, so sweet, so funny, and I love her. And she didn't actually have a YouTube channel back then, but she has recently created her own YouTube channel. She's already up at 300 subscribers, so well done to Aggie. You've literally flown up so quickly, and her nail art is absolutely amazing. It's always so clean and crisp and fun and different. Lots of bright colours, my sort of nails. You know that I like bright colourful nails, and I love Aggie's work. She's just amazing. And yeah, she recently done her 300 subscriber giveaway, awesome giveaway, and I was lucky enough to win. And yeah, I thought I'd show you all the lovely little bits she sent me today. Thank you again to Aggie. I'm really excited and ever so thankful. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on and show you guys everything. I'm gonna start off by showing you the packaging and cover up my address there, but look, she's so sweet. She's put loads of little like cute little stickers all over it. And we've got a cute little star holographic one there too. I love little things like that, just little touches that just make it even cuter and still pretty. I love that. So she did tell me not to bother doing a video, but I always do when I win something from a giveaway, because I like to do a little video and sort of say thank you, because I really do appreciate it. But yeah, this is a little note she sent me. I love these little notes. I keep every single note I get from any of the girls. It says, Sammy Joe, congrats on winning my giveaway, and thank you for all the lovely comments you always leave on my videos. I really appreciate it. I put a couple of extras in. Hope you enjoy them. Take care. Thanks again, Aggie, aka Unpolished by Aggie. I love your handwriting. You've got like the neatest handwriting ever. I love that. But yeah, thank you very much. I will keep that note forever. We've got a whole bag of goodies here. She's really sweet as well, because she knows that I'm obviously a brand ambassador for Charlie. Likewise, Aggie is as well. And she knows that I've already got pretty much most of things that Charlie sells. I buy on Charlie's once a month, and I pretty much have a bit of everything now. And I know she's swapped out a couple of the bits that she knows that I already had and put some different things, which I think is really sweet of her and so thoughtful. So we've got some of these. I have got some of these, but I don't think I've got them in red. I think I've got like pink ones, and then like clear sort of AB ones, and then normal clear ones. I don't think I've got them in red. They look so much like jelly sweets. I love them though, they're really cute. I love red. I love red everything. Red's like my colour. And yeah, they are absolutely beautiful. And then she sent me some strands, which I absolutely love. I have got some red strands, but they're like smaller ones. These ones are a little bit bigger, and they're super shiny and super pretty. Look at them, they're gorgeous. So thank you, Aggie. And she sent me some pink hollow ones. These are lush, these are. I really love them. They're so pretty and so holographic. And yeah, I don't have these ones. I need to do some more playing with strands. I haven't really used them much, and I've sort of been obtaining more and more of them. So I want to try and do something fun and funky with them soon. But yeah, I love them. Thank you, Aggie. And then she sent this glitter, which is such a gorgeous colour. It's like a rose gold, like a silvery sort of rose gold. Look at it. And considering how much glitter I got, I don't think I've got that colour. I know Shaz's Talented Talons, when we've done our friend mail, sent me a colour very similar, but not quite this colour. But I really like that. So I'm not like a huge pink person. Like I know Aggie absolutely loves her pink. But I'm like not a huge pink person, but like this sort of like subtle pink I absolutely love. And yeah, that's super pretty. So thank you so much. And then we got some stars. I love stars. And they're super cute. I don't have any like this. There's silver holographic ones, then like pinky white iridescent ones, and I really don't have anything like this. I've got quite a lot of stars, but I don't have ones like this at all. But yeah, they're so pretty. Then we've got some puzzle pieces. I've got neon puzzle pieces, I've got multicoloured holographic puzzle pieces, and I've got black holographic puzzle pieces, but I do not have any of these. I don't just have like nice simple metallic ones. But I do love puzzle pieces. I need to use mine more, because I've had so many different sets in mind with puzzle pieces. I just haven't got around to doing them yet, because I've literally like I've got so many different nail design ideas that I want to do. It's just finding the time to sit down and do them, because I don't like to rush. Most of my nail art takes me like a good couple of hours per set. I don't rush. I literally do take my time. Like my freehand, I know like a lot of you love my freehand, but it does take me a very long time. Like I think the last in-depth freehand nail design I've done was the Paw Patrol ones with the collaboration with Vicky, and I literally was sat there doing those over a space of 3 days. Like obviously I weren't sat there the whole time throughout the whole entire 3 days doing them, but like I did put in a lot of hours to them, and I was gutted at how rough they were because they literally did take me so long, and yet they come out looking awful. But yeah, I love them anyway. Thank you, Aggie. And then we've got some hearts. There's a good mixture of hearts in there, isn't there? Oh, and there's some flowers and stars. I think these are from Charlie's as well. There's a little dolphin in there. I've not seen the dolphins before. Look at the little dolphin. Oh, that's so sweet. I love a good variety of stars in there as well. They're so pretty and they look really beautiful on the nail. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then she sent me some stars. I love them. I don't know if I have anything like these. Look how pretty they are. So many different colours in there, and they're so iridescent and pretty, and I love the yellow ones. I think a nighttime themed set is going to be coming soon, with lots of stars and the moons and pretty little things on. But yeah, they're adorable. Thank you, Aggie. And then we've got this one, which is like a sort of coppery gold, slightly chunky hex glitter. I like glitters like this. They're simple and versatile. You can do all sorts with that sort of glitter. Yeah, I like that. Thank you, Aggie. Ooh, look how pretty that is. It's so purple and so shiny. I'm really starting to feel purple again lately. I'm going to have to do some purple nails. I sort of went through a stage of absolutely loving yellow nails, and now I'm sort of going into purple. I'm just falling in love with all purple sets of nails that I've seen. That is so pretty. It's all holographic and lots of pink in there. I love that. Thank you, Aggie. This glitter mix looks familiar. Is this a glitter sparkle nail design glitter mix? I feel like it could be. It looks like a mix that Vicky would have done. You know when you can sort of just like tell where things are from? Like I feel like you could put like certain glitter mixes in front of me and I could tell you who they're from. Because like each company's like different, like Charlie's, Smiley's Glitter Store, Sparkle Supplies, Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. Like I feel like you could whack their glitters in front of me and I could tell you like which company they're from, if that makes sense. I feel like this is a Vicky one. It definitely looks like one of hers with like the little unicorns and stuff in it. It's super sweet. Very pink. Is that a heart in there? There's got a little heart in it. That's so cute. I love that. Thank you. And then we got this one. It's very blue and purple. I've got a mix like this, but it's only ultra fine. This one's got slightly chunkier hexes in it. I've just got like a completely ultra fine one. I think it's got a slightly different shade of purple in it as well. But yeah, super pretty. Thank you. And then we got some pink and white checkered bows from Charlie's. I love all Charlie's little charms, as you all know. Absolutely love Charlie's nail art. If you haven't already, check out my giveaway, because I've got 2 Charlie's nail art gift cards up for grabs, as well as 2 boxes of goodies that do contain a lot of Charlie's bits and bobs in. So if you're interested, that video will be in the description box. Go and enter. It's open to everyone around the world. But yeah, I love these little bows. I can't think off the top of my head whether I've got them or not already. I don't think I do. I might have the black and white ones, but I don't know if I've got these ones. But yeah, I love them. They're cute, aren't they? Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Aggie. And then she's chucked in a couple of extra little bits because she's just the sweetest. I love Aggie so much. So we've got some blue moons. Look at the blue on them. Oh, they're awesome, aren't they? I love that colour of blue. Oh, I really like them. I have a design in mind for these, actually, thinking about it. Straight away I thought something I can do with them. Oh, I really like those. I don't have many moons. I have got some, but I don't have no blue ones, that's for sure. And they're really nice. I love them. They're really gorgeous. Thank you so much. And I've got some holographic wine glasses. I think I might have some of these. Maybe. I feel like Vicky might have sent me some from the Glitter Fairy. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure. It's sort of got to that point when you've just got like so much, you sort of... I look at a lot of stuff online, you see that's the problem. So like I spend a lot of time browsing nail art stuff. And then I sort of forget like what I've just looked at online and sort of I adapt to what I've actually got. But yeah, I really like them. They're so holographic. I feel like they'd go down well with some wedding nails or hen party nails or something like that. They're awesome, thank you. And we've got another glitter mix. This is very unique, isn't it? See that? Like greens and golds with stars and stuff in it. I like that a lot. That's really, really, really pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice glitter mix. Very unique. I don't have one like that. Yeah, I really like that. Thank you, Aggie. She sent me some scissors. I've been eyeing up these scissors on AliExpress. They're like multicoloured ones. I've not seen those silver holographic ones before, but I actually prefer these. They're awesome, they are. I've literally been wanting some scissors for a while now. I've just been umming and ahhing about those multicoloured ones. But yeah, I've never seen these ones. These are awesome. They are wicked. I love them a lot. Thank you so much, Aggie. I can't wait to use them for something. They're gorgeous. And then we got some... I don't know what you call them. They're like shards. I don't know if you call them mylar shards because they're a bit different to sort of typical mylar shards. They're a bit thicker, but they're very shardy. And I love these. I love glitter mixes with these sort of shards in them. But yeah, I don't think I have like any like just bags of like normal shards like this. Oh no, I do. I'm telling a lie there. I've got some red ones and I've got some purple ones. But I don't have no blue, and I love blue. So yeah, they're awesome. Thank you so much. I've got the Kisses foil from Charlie's Nail Art. I don't think I have this. I'm pretty sure I don't have this foil. It's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely give that a go soon. Use that. Super pretty. I love all Charlie's foils that she's selling. They're all so pretty and unique. Yeah, I look forward to doing something with that one. We got some cute little umbrellas. I don't have these either. I've seen them. I've definitely seen them somewhere, but I don't have any. And they are so cute. I want to do some like weather nails. I have a design in mind. So yeah, I've got like a never-ending list of nail designs I want to do. It's just finding time to do them all. I really need to start jotting them down as well because I have like all these ideas spring to mind all the time, and then like I sit down at my nail desk and do some filming and my mind goes blank and I'm like, yeah, I'm just stuck for ideas on what to do. So I really need to start writing down these ideas when they pop into my head, so when I go to sit down to film I actually know what I'm doing. But yeah, I love them. Thank you so much. And then we got some blue hexes. I really love that shade of blue. I've got a few glitter mixes that are this sort of shade of blue and I really, really, really love it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. They would have looked quite nice, these nails, I reckon. Would have gone quite nicely with them. But yeah, I want to obtain more sort of hexes. Just like chunky hexes on their own in a bag. Because I do quite like to make up my own like glitter mixes. So I want to like obtain more bags like this where it's just like plain chunky hexes just to put into glitter mixes and stuff. Because most chunky hexes I've got already in a glitter mix, so yeah, I really like them. They're absolutely gorgeous colour. They're so shiny. Okay, and then last but not least, I've been really wanting some of these. Just Joe Nail Addict bought a bulk load of them and I've been really, really, really wanting some because I love the look of them. They're like rhombus shapes. They're like slightly bigger than sort of the normal ones that you get. And I absolutely love the look of these. I love the colour. It's all sealed in nicely. So I'm not going to pull that off right now, but look at them. Aren't they so pretty? I love them so much. I absolutely love the colour and I love the size of them. I'm so chuffed that I've finally got a pot. I've been really wanting a pot of these. I was sort of hoping that I might come across some on eBay, so I know Joe got them off eBay, I believe. And I like quite often watch eBay for like job lots and stuff. I've been hoping some of these pop up, so I've been really wanting some. But yeah, they're gorgeous. I'm well chuffed that I got a pot of them, so thank you so much, Aggie. And they come in the cutest little potlet with a little butterfly on it. So yeah, that's all my bits from Aggie. She has utterly spoiled me. Like, look how much is there. Look at all those goodies. I'm well happy. Thank you so much, Aggie. You know that I love you already, but just want to say it again, like, I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me for as long as you have. You've literally been with me throughout my like whole entire YouTube journey, and I'm so chuffed to see you over channel now, and you're doing so amazingly well. You're such a natural at filming. Even your first ever video was like incredible. It just seemed like you'd been doing it for years, and I'm so happy to see you growing the way that you are. You've flown up with your subscribers, and yeah, well done to you, and congratulations for hitting your 300. I'm sure it won't be long before you're celebrating your 400, your 500, your 600, and before you know it, you'll be at 1,000 subs, and you deserve it because your videos are brilliant and I love you so much. And yeah, thank you so much for all the goodies that you sent me today. I love each and every one of them. And yeah, I can't wait to have a little play and do something with all of these. But yeah, everyone, if you haven't already, please go over to Aggie's channel, Unpolished by Aggie, and subscribe. Go subscribe to her. She's really good. Like I said, her nail art is absolutely amazing. Like, so clean and crisp and fun and different, and all her nails are so like put together and they come together so well. They're not all like mismatched like ever. They're just perfect. Literally, like, I'm jealous of how clean and crisp and perfect. Like, she's really good at thinking of like the perfect designs, and I love seeing all her nail art. And she also does a lot of like haul videos and product reviews and stuff, which she's bang on with. She's like so informative, she's funny, like proper entertaining to watch, and you absolutely love her channel. So please go over and subscribe to her and show her some love. But anyways, I'm gonna disappear now before I sit here waffling all evening again. Much love to you all. Like I said, please check out my subscriber giveaway. I'm trying to get 600 subs. I'm less than 50 away now, which is super exciting. But yeah, all details will be in the description box, link to my giveaway, link to Aggie's channel and everything. So, but anyways, much love everyone, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!